Hey guys, Christian over at NFit Car Stereo. Today I am going to show you how to use this factory Volkswagen USB port with an aftermarket radio. Alright guys, so this comes out of a 2016 and up Volkswagen 2015. So I know the Jetta, the Passat, and the Beetle had them. The Golf had something similar. If you have a Golf and you're wondering if this fits, send us your VIN number, because I know that the 2015 Golf had that weird Volkswagen plug that wasn't USB, but then after that they moved on to USB, but the 2015 had a different size hole, so I don't know if they changed the hole or whatever. But anyway, so the way this works is that this has a 4-pin USB, and unfortunately though, Volkswagen does what a lot of other companies do, and they grab power off a separate 2-pin connector on the side, if you can see that. All right, there you go. So because they grab power, you can't just tap into this cable behind the radio. So we made an adapter to allow you to use this housing. So if you can look in here, you can see how this is two separate parts. The plastic is one part, and then the insert is a completely different part. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to take this out. Now, it's not hard, but it's not easy either. All right, so what I recommend is you grab a screwdriver and you push from the inside. If you're afraid to break the USB, you can always grab a regular USB. All right, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna pry upward and like twist it, and then you're gonna see the little plastic gonna go over that lip, and you're gonna go on the other side and do the same thing, and it's gonna pop right out. Okay. All right, guys. Now that I got it out, I just wanted to also mention that if you have the other version that has the auxiliary and the USB, it works just the same. Okay. This one obviously we already took the USB port out of it. Now, this is the KFU. KFU stands for Keep Factory USB VW1. So what this is a Molex cable, USB extension. Molex is probably the best cable company in the planet. So that's why we use their cable. We realized for a couple dollars more, we could use the best cable instead of a regular average cable. So that's what we did. And we modify the end of it, and we make a custom housing for it. All right. So the way this works is that now that we have an empty factory housing, it went in super easy there, but it's going to only go in one way. And then what you have to do is you have to squeeze the port, squeeze it, and then put it in. Once you put it in, it will lock into place. As you can see, that's not moving anywhere. All right. Perfect. We did a lot of work on this, trust me. So now you can pop this back in and run the cable. A lot of you guys have asked me, not on this product, but on a different product for older Volkswagens, can I have a 6-foot cable? No, you don't need a 6-foot cable. And the reason we don't do a 6-foot cable is once you start adding length, CarPlay and Android Auto may suffer. So Android Auto may just stop working. CarPlay will always work, but it may lag if you add too much cable. So that's why we don't recommend it. If you're using this for non-CarPlay, non-Android Auto, if you get a cheap radio, go ahead, just buy a 3-foot extension and add it to the end of it. It's not, it's not going to be the end of the world. Hey guys, and while I have you, I want to talk about our mic-VW1. This is an MIC-VW1. This is an overhead panel from a 2013 Volkswagen CC. Now, Volkswagens use the same microphone. I think my 01 GTI had the same exact microphone as this, if I remember correctly. So they've always used the same microphone shape. So what we did, we made a custom microphone that's MIC-VW1. Now this is designed to go in here and fit in the factory location. This thing's beat up, so it doesn't hold it anymore because we've used this for years. This is my car's old one. So if you look over here, you will see that you can't see anything. So instead of using the microphones that came with your radio, this gives it a better location so you don't see it, and also since it's hidden from the tweeters and speakers, you'll get less feedback. It doesn't eliminate it, but it makes it better. Now, if you have one of those random Android radios, I've only had like 3 in the last couple of years, but every once in a while I'll get someone with an Android radio that doesn't like it. You can always peel this off. The microphone's right there. You can take out our microphone, replace it with the microphone that came with your radio, and send us back for a $5 credit. Now, if you look at the inside of here, this has a little cavity which captures the voice and makes everything sound better. I'm not exactly sure how the magic works but it works. And then you just put the little piece of tape back on. Just bring this up only because when used with our USB, it's a very, 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 very good pairing. All right. That's it. Check the link for the description on where to buy this product. They're probably I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but this product will probably be linked. This product will be linked with it. Also, check out our website for our radio installation harnesses. They're not the best because everyone knows I did a link. Maestro makes the best, but not everybody wants to pay all that money. Some people want just to install the radio and they don't want boost gauge on their dashboard, on the radio. Our dash kits, without a doubt, are the best in the market in my opinion. And that's it. We have the antenna tabs and everything else, but everything else is pretty much similar. Check the website. You know, we've been in this 20 years. I started when I got my 01 GTI. VW Vortex days, for you guys who are old enough to remember that. That's it. I have nothing else to say. Thank you for watching the video. If you got to the end, do me a favor, give it a like. If you like this kind of stuff, you can subscribe to the channel. If you're a maniac, you can sign up for notifications to hear my voice every time I speak. World domination. If you're a shop who do wholesale accounts, guys, this is a no-brainer. This doesn't cost that much money, and your customers will love you because their friends are not going to have this in their car. They're going to have a cable hanging by their floor. And we also give discounts if you're a shop, obviously. Not obviously, but... and that's it. What else? Sell, install, ship worldwide. My name is Christian. Thank you so much for watching this video. EnfitCarStereo.com.